Hello and welcome to my first Keyshot tutorial. In this episode, I want to show you how you can render a simple object in less than 5 minutes. So let's go. In this method, you don't need any knowledge about Keyshot, thus you should follow me step by step. As usual, open the Keyshot app. After Launch app, you can see the window that you able import your CAD model into the software. Now we select 3D model. After that, you face with some options that help you to modify your CAD at initial, but how? Let's read some crucial options. One of them is position section. In this section it's so important to define our object position. In the simple world you can choose your object in horizontal or vertical. It's depend on your object and environment that's suitable for you. But what's snap to ground? With this option you can match your object to floor. All of the options in this window are so important for a start, but for beginners it's enough, so we skip this section and we go to next part. As mentioned it before, we chose our object in Y axis and match to ground. From the bottom bar we select the library and then appear one bar at left side. In this bar we select the material and we looking for plastic. And then we click on clear rough texture for matching to part of body that we considered. Like last step we select another material like paint. However, paint is not material but it has some reactions like plastic texture in this software. It's depend on your style, and it's different case by case. Now I chose that one for my both caps. Go to the color option and select basic, then match the dark blue to our caps. Our object is done. Now let's go to the environment. From the up we find the edit, then select the add geometry, then click on add ground place. However, you can use shortcut for this, Ctrl G. After that, we can choose material for our ground. I chose carbon texture for my ground. Then in the environment, I chose my desirable spotlight and atmosphere of my object. For more make sense, I selecting plenty of atmospheres. Now our render is done. You can save your project with Ctrl+S, and screenshot of your render with right bottom shortcut. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to know how can design a pen, you can visit my SolidWorks video. As always, enjoy your design. Bye.